Meet 9-year-olds Khendo and Nirmala. Both girls lost a leg in the Nepal earthquakes of April 2015. Our rehabilitation work began immediately after their life-saving surgery and continues today as these inseparable friends learn how to cope. Daily, sometimes painful physiotherapy has been needed to prepare the girls for their new legs. Finally, the big day arrives. After months of therapy, exercise, encouragement and struggle, Khendo and Nirmala will take their first unaided steps together. One small step at a time, the girls do something that was unimaginable just a year ago as they lay terrified in a hospital bed. Small steps we may take for granted, but that mean the world to them. Steps that fill the future with hope, their first steps to independent lives. Khendo and Nirmala are just two of the thousands of extraordinary people around the world being helped by Handicap International. Please donate today, and every £1 you give will be doubled by the UK government. For children like Khendo and Nirmala, every step counts.